We received an urgent order from Alex today. Alex ordered 5 pens. Yes, 5. All personalized with the name Amy in Stencil font. Now, why does one person need 5 identical pastel pens? Science tells us that Amy will lose the first 3 within 48 hours. The 4th one will be stolen by a coworker named Steve, and the 5th one, she'll protect that one with her life. We're firing up the 30-watt fiber laser to blast her name in this aggressive stencil font. Notice the possessive apostrophe S. These aren't just pens, they are property claims. Into the holographic abduction bag they go. Look at that shimmer. It's hypnotic. It says, I am fancy, but I am also extremely organized. We're throwing in some thank you stickers because we're nice like that. And honestly, who doesn't like peeling things off of backing paper? Into the black bubble mailer for maximum stealth mode, sealed up tight. Enjoy the pens, Amy. Try not to let Steve steal this batch. Order your own customized obsession at Bespoke Trinkets on Etsy.